CISS Group offers the following specific services: technical expertise, dynamic alignment of rotors of ventilators, turbines, and their bearings, appraisal of dynamic vibration RMS, analysis of FFD vibration, condition assessment of gearboxes and electrical engines, condition assessment of SPM bearings, measurement of resonance frequency, laser alignment of shafts and pulleys, laser measurements of concentricity of bearings, marine shafts, turbines, rectilinearity, flatness, and perpendicularity. Preventive diagnostics of the condition of the machinery, damage report. Personal training in the field of expertise and laser diagnostics. More information on our website, www.ciss-group.com.